Hello everyone, welcome to this channel again and thank you very much for always watching English learning videos here. I hope all of you are always fine and success in learning English. In the episode 47, I would like to explain active and passive voices in present perfect tense. Actually, I have explained the subject completely in episode 11. If you want to learn more completely in all tenses, you can watch in the episode. Well, let's see the explanation on the following screen. Well, viewers, first of all, I would like to explain what active and passive voices are. Active voice or active sentence is used when a speaker emphasizes a subject rather than an object, while passive voice or passive sentence is used when a speaker emphasizes an object rather than a subject. Examples: number one, active. YouTube has verified your YouTube channel. And the passive, your YouTube channel has been verified by YouTube. Number two, active. Have you prepared slides for presentation? And the passive, have slides for presentation been prepared by you? Number three, my father has renovated the house twice since 10 years ago. And the passive, the house has been renovated by my father twice since 10 years ago. Number four, active, how many times have you called him to come back? And the passive, how many times has he been called to come back by you? Number five, active, more than 1,000 viewers have watched this video. Passive, this video has been watched by more than 1,000 viewers. After looking at the examples above, I would like to make you understand how to build active and passive sentences in English based on the following sentence patterns. Sentence patterns of active voice in the present perfect tense: positive subject plus have or has plus verb 3, or we can also say past participle plus object. Negative subject plus have or has plus noun plus verb 3 or past participle plus object. Interrogative. Interrogative is a question which is answered with yes and no. The pattern have or has plus subject plus verb 3 or past participle plus object. Question. The pattern is question word plus have or has plus subject plus verb 3 or past participle plus object. Sentence patterns of passive voice in a present perfect tense: positive subject plus have or has plus been plus verb 3 or past participle plus by object. Negative subject plus have or has plus not been plus verb 3 or past participle plus by object. Interrogative. Have or has plus subject plus being plus verb 3 or past participle plus by object. Question. Question word plus have or has plus subject plus being plus verb 3 or past participle plus by object. Now exercise, change the following sentences into passive ones. Number one, the government has renovated the school building twice since last 5 years. What's the passive form of number one? Alright, the school building has been renovated by the government twice since last 5 years. Number two, the teacher has explained the subject, but we don't understand it at all. What's the password? Number two, that's okay. The subject has been explained by the teacher, but we don't understand it at all. Number three, the manager has recommended the new systems to increase competitiveness of the products. What's the password? Number three, alright, the new systems have been recommended by the manager to increase competitiveness of the products. Number four, has the company replied your request of order? What's the passive of number four? It's okay. Has your request of order been replied by the company? Number five, how much has the government budgeted fund for COVID-19 impacts? Alright, how much fund has the government budgeted for COVID-19 impact? Number six, my brother has painted the house for 2 days but it hasn't finished. What's the passive form of number six? It's okay. The house has been painted by my brother for 2 days but it has not finished. Number seven, my parents have advised me not to go to a foreign country during COVID-19 pandemic. What's the passive form of number seven? It's okay. I have been advised by my parents not to go to a foreign country during COVID-19 pandemic. Number eight, many visitors have visited the tourist destination this year. What's the passive form of number eight? Alright, the tourist destination has been visited by many visitors this year. Number nine, he has not sold his second-hand car. What's the passive of number nine? Alright, his second-hand car hasn't been sold by him. Number 10, the local government has developed the facilities of this tourist destination. What's the passive form of number 10? It's okay. These facilities in this tourist destination have been developed by the local government. Well, first, I think you really understand about the passive voice and the present perfect tense. And thank you very much for your attention. See you on the next episode in different topic.